Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into Norcom Mortgage account online. First and foremost, to log in, make sure you have an account on Norcom Mortgage. If you do, then to log in, open your preferred web browser. Here, I'm using Safari for now. Then, in the search box or URL box, you may type in norcommortgage.com and click enter. This will take you to the official website. From the main homepage, click at Pay My Loan on the top right corner. You will then find yourself in the Norcom login portal. To access your mortgage account, you will need to first create a new account on Mortgage Online. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to first register. For that, click on the Register button at the top right corner and follow the prompts. If you do have an account, enter your mortgage account username and password. Type in your username in the first tab. Then on the next tab, type in your password. If you forget your password or username, click on the Forget Your Password or Forget Your Username under the Login button. After filling in your correct login credentials, tap on Login. You will then be logged into your Norcom Mortgage account. This is how you can easily log into your Norcom Mortgage account online. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.